This week heard Tesla investors who trusted Elon Musk got dragged down by another sell-off. Then I saw retail investors' losses and suddenly felt better. Don't ask how much I'm down. At least my index funds are still moving sideways. Hey everyone, I'm Sixin Yuan. This is week 6 of my S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 plan. Welcome back to my 20-year DCA series. This week, the US market was bad, really bad. On Monday, the US-Iran conflict escalated again. The Houthis announced a naval blockade against Saudi Arabia. Oil jumped. The S&P 500 fell 0.8% and the Nasdaq dropped 1.6%. Coffee in one hand, bread in the other, and the market had already been punched in the face. Oil is up about 20% this month. Higher oil means more inflation pressure and a greater chance of another rate hike. Tech was just as strange. Two companies beat expectations, but their stocks still got crushed. The Magnificent Seven lost nearly $800 billion, their biggest drop since April 2025. Alphabet reported second quarter revenue of $119.8 billion on July 22nd, up 24%. Cloud revenue jumped 82%. Normally that means fireworks. Instead, the stock fell 7%. Alphabet plans to spend $205 billion on AI infrastructure this year, while quarterly free cash flow fell to negative $5.9 billion. It earns like a bullet train and spends like a rocket. Wall Street crushed the stock. Tesla had it worse. Revenue hit a record $28.2 billion, with 480,000 vehicles delivered, but its profit margin missed expectations by nearly 40% and fell to 1.4%. The stock plunged 14.5% in one day. Tesla is spending on AI, robotaxis, and humanoid robots. Quarterly capital spending reached $5.8 billion, about 1.5 times higher than last year. Alphabet and Tesla followed the same script: record revenue, negative cash flow, and falling stocks. Meanwhile, the chance of a rate hike rose to 46.5%. Fed officials said inflation was still too high, so the market kept swinging between rate hike and no rate hike. Now my week 6 results. My S&P 500 fund moved from minus 0.7% to minus 1.19%. My Nasdaq 100 fund moved from minus 4.49% to minus 5.46%. I've invested $600. My loss is $17.40 and my total return is minus 2.9%. The S&P 500, always bringing peace to my heart. That's this week's update. I'll continue this plan for 20 years and invest $96,000 or about 650,000 RMB. I want to see what steady investing and time can build. Follow along and let's slowly get rich together.